What if I told you? There is something in space, smaller than a city, but heavier than our sun? It spins faster than a blender. It bends space, and it may contain the strangest matter in the universe. What is inside a neutron star? Let's dive deep into this mystery. Welcome to our mission to explore the most powerful objects in space. Last episode, we learned that massive stars explode when they die. But sometimes, the core does not become a black hole. Instead, it becomes a neutron star, a small but mighty survivor. A neutron star is extremely small, only about 20 kilometers wide. That's about the size of a city, but it weighs more than the sun. Imagine compressing the entire Earth into something the size of a marble. Just 1 teaspoon of this material would weigh about 1 billion tons. So what is actually inside? To find out, we have to look at atoms. Normal atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. But here, the pressure is so strong that they all get crushed together. They become pure neutrons. That is why we call it a neutron star. Scientists believe the interior contains a strange state of matter called superfluid, and maybe even quark matter. It is one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Some neutron stars spin extremely fast, many times per second. They act like cosmic lighthouses, blinking light across the vastness of space. Some spin 700 times per second. That's faster than a kitchen blender. If you're enjoying this journey, like this video and subscribe to Learn with Adeesha. Some are even more extreme. They are called magnetars. They have the strongest magnetic fields. They could erase credit cards from thousands of miles away. But don't worry, the nearest magnetar is very, very far away from us. Can you stand on one? Gravity is 2 billion times stronger than Earth's. You would be crushed instantly. You wouldn't even have time to blink. Neutron stars were discovered in 1967 when scientists heard strange radio pulses. Black holes are invisible and trap everything. Neutron stars glow and let light escape. They are cousins of the most extreme kind. Space is truly full of wonders. Subscribe for more fun science adventures. See you in the next mission.